Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started very easily and quickly with PandaAI. The first thing you have to do is installing PandaAI. You can do it with Poetry or with pip. So for example, pip install PandaAI and it will do the installation for you. Once you have PandaAI installed, the first thing you have to do is create a new Python file. Like in this case, I have my test.py file. We have to then import PandaAI as Py, for example, and then we can just get started by importing our first dataset. So in this case, we have this data.csv file here, which is a very file with a lot of dummy data about companies, potential customers, let's say. So what we do is we instantiate it as a df equals py dot read csv, and then we pass the path of this CSV, which is data.csv, and this is basically a PandaAI data frame, which is very similar to the Pandas data frame, but comes with more superpowers, let's say. So let's try to print the df.head, for example, which is a basic function of the pandas, and we will be printing the head as easy as this. So here you have the head, which, by the way, is what you can also grab from the original file. But let's try to imagine we want to count how many pending companies are there. So with pandas, what we would do is we do pending companies equals the length of df whose status is equal pending. So if we print pending companies, as you will see, we will get the amount of pending companies, which is 12. But there's a better way you can do it with PandaAI, which is using the large language model that basically does the job for you. So for example, if you do pending companies and you do df.chat, and this is the method that converts your natural language queries into actual insights. So you can ask how many companies are pending, and then you print the pending companies here. You will see that again we will get 12 as an answer. So let's do it, and there it is. So 12 is the answer, and this has been is an answer that has been generated by looking at this data thanks to the LLM. There's another superpower that you can do with PandaAI, which is, for example, let's say we want to print something. So we can do res equals df.chat, plot a chart of the companies by type, for example. So if you go here, you have this type, there are different kind of types, and then you can print this out, and you will get the actual chart. So let's give it a shot. So we print it, and there it is. Here is our chart. So we have enterprise customers. This is the amount. This is the amount of basic type contracts, and this is the amount of premium contracts. That's it for this quick intro to PandaAI. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to reach out if you have any question.